Hi, this is Vilma, and today I'm going to show you how to do this DIY Christmas project. I found these small trays at Dollarama for $250. I'm starting by applying painter's tape around the inside of the wood tray. I'm using chalk paste for this project in antique sage and chalky white. These chalk pastes are awesome to apply with stencils, create texture, and many more things. And they smell so delicious. I'm using a 1-inch wax brush from Redesign with Prima and also a small one, also from Redesign with Prima. As you can see, I started by painting with a light color, which is chalky white, and doing small touches all over the inside tray. I will be doing 2 layers of this chalk paste. Then I'm using antique sage. I'm checking just small portions of this chalk paste, and I will be applying all over the edges and trying to blend with the chalky white paste. I'm not worried about covering all the wood because I'm going to do 2 layers of this. As you can see, I'm using the small brush first, and then I will be using the larger to try to blend both colors together. Then I'm doing the same, applying the light color, chalky white, and then antique sage. But this time I'm adding more paint or more paste, using the small brush first all over the edges, as you can see, with the small touches. I'm creating texture with this. You can use chalk paste to paint even furniture. You can apply water and blending better than this, but I'm trying not to use any water on this in this project. Now I'm using the large wax brush to blend both colors together. I'm removing the tape. I like to remove the tape, the painter's tape, when the paint is still wet. I'm setting aside this tray and let it dry. And now it's time to use this beautiful mold named Dazzling Ornaments, which I am planning on painting with mica powder directly to the mold. I'm using 2 sets of mica powders, which I will be letting the links on descriptions. After choosing some colors of mica powders, I'm starting by painting the molds with a small brushes. I got this from Amazon. These are cheaper and came in a bulk. And I'm starting by from the center. As you can see, I will be using all of them, not the largest one, but all of the other ornaments I will be painting. And this is very easy to do. It takes some time when you're mixing several colors in the same mold, but the results are awesome. You're not gonna believe it, but you will see. You will see it will work all the time just painting with mica powders these ornaments. And yes, so I'm trying to blend each color, connecting with another one, and with just small touches. You don't need a lot of these mica powders. You will need to take small portions at the time and applying eventually. And as you can see, now I'm painting with this. This is a green tone, very soft green. And these mica powders are metallics, completely metallics. As you can see, I am using almost all the colors. I have like a pearl one, champagne, gold, and the green one. You can also choose to paint with one color. It will be easier, but believe me, the results when you're mixing different colors are awesome. And if you're thinking, how am I going to clean my molds? You can use just a soft brush or a soft sponge, water, and liquid soap, and that's it. Now it's time to prepare the resin for the molds, and don't forget to use gloves when you're working with this medium. So this amazing casting resin I'm using, you'll need to mix equal parts of A and B, and it will take around 3 to 4 minutes to get ready. So I'm just pouring all my resin in all the molds. This casting resin will start to turn white, and that's when you know it is ready to take out from the mold. Now it's time to take out these ornaments and see how they turn. See? That's what I'm talking about. This is amazing. So easy, and they came like perfect. I just love it, love it, love it. This is always my favorite part when I paint these molds with mica powders. Now you're gonna try it. Now it is time to plan our design in our tray. And the background I created with chalk paste, it looked gorgeous. But I think it is missing something. So I am using metallic acrylic sheen in brush champagne, and I'm just dropping a few drops with a fun brush to create some sparkles. Then I'm using a silicone hot glue to attach my molds, just a little bit, not too much. So this is how they came. Now I think I was missing a spot on the tray design. There, yes, there. And I'm using stamps. This is Holly Jolly. Using also black ink. I will be letting the links below on descriptions. And yes, that was the perfect design. Then I'm adding another casting resin, but this time is clear, and it will take overnight to completely dry. This clear resin works the same as the white resin, mixing equal parts. I'm also adding glitters in gold and iridescent white to the resin. You will need a small portion, as you can see, but this is optional. Only that I love ink on Christmas. After pouring the clear resin all over the tray, I'm using my heat gun to remove any bubbles. Finally, I'm adding these wood beads under the tray. You can also use pulls. I know everyone have pulls that we are not using anymore, so you can use it also as well. After letting dry overnight, this is how it looks. It just beautiful, and you can use it for keep your keys, as you can see. Also, you can use it to storage all your controls, as a gift with chocolates. Hope you like this DIY, and thank you for watching. Please give us a follow and a like and subscribe to our channel today.